Hello, my wonderful first grade friends. Let's get ready to practice our letters and our sounds. Here we go. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is O, sound is Ah. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is R, sound is Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is U, sound is Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Good job, my readers.